Ever feel like your workouts are stuck in a rut, delivering fewer results with every passing week? Let's face it, just cranking out the same old push-ups isn't cutting it anymore. But what if I told you that a few small tweaks could completely change the game? These push-up variations aren't just about building strength, they're about unlocking a new level of fitness, agility, and confidence. The kind of transformation that turns heads at the gym and makes you feel unstoppable. In just weeks, these moves can help you sculpt muscles, boost endurance, and even shred unwanted weight. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around. By the end of this, you'll wonder why you didn't try these sooner. Ready to upgrade your workout routine? Let's dive in. Wide push-up. Wide push-ups are like the unsung heroes of chest workouts. By widening your stance, you engage a greater range of motion, giving your pecs the kind of stretch they usually only get from a bench press. The result? More muscle fibers activated and a pump that feels like your chest is about to take flight. Plus, this variation builds strength without the need for fancy equipment, just you, the floor, and a mindset ready to conquer. Imagine knocking out these push-ups and feeling that satisfying burn in all the right places. Here's a tip: slow it down. Pause at the bottom and push back up with controlled power. It's a game changer. Wide push-ups also subtly engage your shoulders, making them an all-around powerhouse move. Speaking of powerhouse moves, the next one will test your arms and core like never before. Russian push-up. The Russian push-up isn't just a workout, it's a challenge that makes you feel like a total badass. This move combines a classic push-up with an elbow plank, targeting your arms and core like nothing else. The transition forces your muscles to stabilize and adapt, building strength and coordination simultaneously. Think of it as the multitasker's dream workout, two powerhouse moves in one sleek package. To master it, start slow. Drop into the plank with control, then push back up like you're defying gravity. Not only does this build arm and core strength, but it also teaches your body to flow through movements seamlessly. Ready to up the ante? The next push-up will take balance and core engagement to new heights. T push-up. The T push-up brings a twist, literally, to your workout routine. By adding a rotation and lifting one arm into the air, you're not just working your chest and arms, you're also training your core for balance and stability. It's like turning a regular push-up into a dance move for your muscles. This one is perfect for anyone who wants to build strength while improving mobility and coordination. Plus, the T-shape at the top? It's oddly satisfying to hit that pose. Pro tip: focus on controlled movements. Keep your hips steady as you rotate, making your core work even harder. It's a great way to break the monotony of standard push-ups while stepping up your game. Speaking of stepping up, the next variation slows things down for ultimate control. Isometric progression push-up. The isometric progression push-up is all about building muscle stability and control. Instead of rushing through reps, this variation has you pause during different phases of the push-up. Whether you're holding at the bottom, midway, or near the top, every pause forces your muscles to stay engaged, making them work overtime. It's not just about strength, it's about discipline. This move challenges you to slow down and feel every fiber in action. Here's a fresh perspective: think of each pause as hitting the brakes on a race car. You're still in motion, but with precision and purpose. The added time under tension gives your chest, arms, and shoulders that extra edge for growth. If you thought this was intense, the next push-up is a real tricep burner. Sphinx Push-Up. The Sphinx Push-Up is a tricep burner in disguise. By transitioning between a forearm plank and a traditional push-up, this exercise isolates those back arm muscles while giving your core a steady workout. It's the perfect move for sculpting defined arms without needing a gym. Plus, the constant movement adds a cardio element, making it a true multitasker in your workout routine. For the best results, keep your elbows close to your body as you push up. It's like sending a direct message to your triceps. And don't forget the bonus: this exercise strengthens your wrists, which is a lifesaver for anyone working toward more advanced push-up variations. The next move narrows the focus to hit those inner chest muscles like a pro. Narrow push-up. The narrow push-up is a tricep and inner chest sculptor like no other. By bringing your hands closer together, this move zeroes in on those smaller, often overlooked muscle groups. It's all about precision and control. Every rep leaves you feeling the burn in just the right spots. Whether you're chasing muscle definition or just upping your push-up game, this variation is a must-try. For a pro tip, focus on keeping your elbows tucked close to your body. It's the secret sauce for maximum tricep engagement. And don't be surprised if your core gets in on the action too. Narrow push-ups are sneaky like that. But hold on, things are about to get dynamic with a push-up variation that's all about endurance. Up and down push-up. The up and down push-up is where endurance meets functionality. By alternating between a high plank and a low forearm plank, this exercise pushes your core, shoulders, and arms into overdrive. It's a killer move for building strength while testing your stamina. Plus, the constant shifting keeps your muscles guessing, which is great for avoiding plateaus in your workout routine. Here's a challenge: try syncing your breathing with each movement. Inhale as you lower down and exhale as you push up. This not only helps you stay in control but also maximizes your performance. Ready to bring some weights into the mix? The next move combines strength and back engagement. Push-up row. The push-up row takes your workout to the next level by adding dumbbells into the mix. This variation targets your chest, back, shoulders, and core all at once, making it the ultimate full-body move. As you row the dumbbell after each push-up, you're engaging your lats and upper back while keeping your core tight to stay balanced. It's functional fitness at its best: strength, stability, and control in every rep. Here's a tip: keep the dumbbells slightly wider apart. This setup not only enhances your stability but also allows for a wider row, giving your back muscles extra attention. If you thought this was intense, the next push-up brings balance into the spotlight, literally. Single leg push-up. The single leg push-up is where strength meets balance. By lifting one leg off the ground, you're not just working your chest and arms, you're also putting your core and glutes to the test. This variation adds an element of instability, making your muscles work harder to maintain control. It's a great way to spice up your routine and target areas that traditional push-ups might miss. For maximum results, focus on keeping your raised legs steady and your hips level throughout the movement. Switching legs between reps ensures balanced development and avoids overloading one side. Ready for the next level? Let's talk about the ultimate upper body challenge. Pike Push-Up. The Pike Push-Up is a powerhouse for building shoulder strength and preparing for advanced moves like handstands. By positioning your body in an inverted V-shape, you shift the focus to your shoulders and upper chest, giving these muscles a serious workout. It's perfect for anyone looking to improve their overhead strength without the need for weights or machines. For best results, keep your legs straight and your hips high while lowering your head toward the floor. This alignment maximizes the engagement of your shoulder muscles and ensures proper form. And here's the kicker: this exercise doubles as a great stretch for your hamstrings. What's stopping you from taking your fitness journey to the next level? Is it the fear of change, or maybe not knowing where to start? These push-up variations aren't just exercises, they're the key to a stronger, more confident version of yourself. Imagine what you could achieve by simply adding them to your routine. How much stronger, leaner, and more energized would you feel in just a few weeks? So, are you ready to commit to your transformation? Let us know in the comments which variation you'll try first. And hey, don't keep this knowledge to yourself, share it with a friend who could use a little workout inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more tips and tricks to build the body you deserve.